chance on me. Yo, that's trippy. Yo, we need to get rid of that ASAP. Take a chance on me. Shit, bruh. What's up, Nimbus? Yeah, I know, it's Sunday, you know, I'm chilling, just going over some charts, just about to upload a YouTube video, so I thought, why not go live for a little bit, chat to you guys. You can watch my YouTube upload process. Yeah, nice to see you, man. What's been happening? What are you up to? What are you up to on this fine Sunday evening? This fine Sunday evening. If you change your mind, first in line. Take a chance on me. Oi, oi, oi. What's your best friend? What's your best friend? I need to. All right. Delete you, delete you, delete you. Oh, ChatGPT. Where did you see that? Did I have it on my thing? Oh, ChatGPT, yeah. Yeah, I use it sometimes. I used to use it a lot, but then I kind of got into that state where like a lot of the things I was doing just seemed like robot like, you know, and it didn't seem very human, and there were things that I would write and I would use ChatGPT for it, and it just didn't seem like me. Like you lose that human touch, like that personal touch so I stopped using it. What's up, Shivang? Welcome. Welcome. How are you? You haven't seen my streams in a while. Damn. That's not good. That's no good, man. Take a chance on me. Now, what I need to do is open Dropbox. Oh, school. School's always getting in the way of things, man. That's why I left. Nah, don't leave school. Don't leave school. Morning, Murad. How's your trading week been? Trading week's been awesome. I'm actually just uploading a YouTube video on it now. But yeah, you guys, if you're in the free Telegram, you would see this was what I ended up with on the week. So I had a losing trade on GJ. So you can see that there, a loss of 2,073.51 cents. And then we had a nice buy on gbpjpy where I made $2,000. And then a buy on GJ where I made 1.3, and then another sell on GJ. A sell on GJ where I made $2,000. And then we had gold buys, but I closed that at pretty much break even. As you can see, like a tiny bit of profit, but minus the commissions. So yeah, it was decent. I made like 3.2k for the week. Yeah, see you soon, Shivang. See you soon, man. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, so 3.2 for the week. It's decent. You know, Thursday, I did a YouTube video on Thursday and I was around about like just under 1,000 in profit. And it was looking like a bit of a slow week, but Friday came around and yeah, gave us some nice setups, gave us some nice type 3 setups. Type 3 setups, man. Tell ya, they are unreal. Where's that video? Did it upload? Or is it uploading? Oh, it's uploading. What am I planning to do in the stream? Just chatting, just chilling, just going over some charts. I'm just going to upload a YouTube video. I just thought I'd do a quick live stream and chat to you guys. See if you have any questions. Anything like that. But yeah, I was just going to upload my YouTube video, get it edited, and then have a quick chat. Nothing special, man. Just, you know, just a bit lonely right now. Just wanting some company. Just a bit of company is all I want. This gold setup was so nice. It didn't quite play out, but beautiful market structure. Beautiful market structure. If you guys have any questions or if you want me to analyze any pairs for the week, then let me know. I'll be happy to do that. Yeah, I went back to the dark charts. I think it just looks better, like the aesthetics of it for videos and things like that for YouTube and Instagram. That just a darker chart just looks better than the bright white ones, I think, from my in my opinion. What do you guys think? In terms of trading, I like the white charts, but in terms of content, creating videos, I like the dark charts. What's your guys' opinion on that? What do you think? I just found your channel the day before and I just scrolled down. I was wondering if there's a video in which you explain step-by-step explanation of what you look for a trade. Gosh, I don't even know what I upload to my YouTube. I just upload so many videos. Basically, I just break down all of my trades. There's not too many. Let's have a look. This was a good video. How to read market structure, like, bro. This is a good video. This is based when I talk about market structure. So you can see these lines on the market right here, and the way that gold is respecting them, and breaking them, retesting them, things like that. You can see here, nice break and retest of this level of structure. You can see again a nice break and retest of this level of structure. You can see these zones down here. This is a good video explaining what I'm looking for in terms of market structure, if you wanted to look at that. Otherwise, I don't really like to give too much away of my strategy. But if you watch through, if you go to playlists and you go to, where is it, trade breakdowns right here. So all these trade breakdowns, there's literally like how many, 50 videos in this, right? And if you watch through all of these, you will pretty much figure out how I trade. You see how I explain it right here. You know, if you go right down, all the way back over here, I'll explain what I'm looking for through here as well, like all these videos. So there's not any in particular, but start with the most recent, potentially this one. Did the bank stop on my trade? And just work your way back, and you'll just see me breaking down all of the trades that I've taken in that playlist right there. Okay, that video is just uploaded to Dropbox. Let me just grab that real quick. Oh no, it has to sync in here first. Oh, come on. Come on. But yeah, it was all called out in the private Telegram. You can see right here, if we scroll up, this one, so this was the GJ trade. So 14th, when was that? If we go back to Monday, so the 13th was Monday. 13th, right here. So GJ trade idea, there's the GJ trade idea. And then you can see it did actually work out beautifully the way intended, but we got stopped out due to this massive wick. I really don't know what that was from. There wasn't any high impact news during that specific moment. And yeah, that's why I made a video saying, did the banks stop hunt me, blah 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 blah. Obviously it's a joke, they don't stop hunt people, but you know, I was just like flabbergasted. I truly didn't understand what happened here. Just a massive wick down, stopped me out, and then he just flipped back bullish and then hit my take profit. So, you know, these things happen. So that was the losing trade at the start of the week. And then we had the GA. So there's the GA trade idea. Right here, you can see the entry, take profit, stop loss. You can see all those levels right there. And then also the GJ trade idea. This was from the 14th. And then you can see there's the GA results, GBP AUD results, and then the pound yen results. I didn't end up posting them for some reason, but yeah, the pound yen results. So if we go back to this one, so the pound yen, that one right there, 2.5. So you can see 1.86.82. That was that GJ, as you can see, the 14th of the 11th, 2023. So that was this one, and a beautiful trade again. So we had the stop out, and then I looked to get in again because price was still showing me through market structure, through candle pattern setups. that price was still going to continue bullish. So I ended up taking that, and price just absolutely rocketed to the upside. And then a little market update going over the trades for the 17th, so the Friday. And then we had these GJ sales. So you can see GJ trade idea, 12-hour type 3 bearish setup. Again, all the levels provided: entry 186724, stop loss, and take profit. And then there is the results from that trade right there. So yeah, thanks, bud. I'll check that out. Frankly, to say you are good, not being like those fancy high RO guys. You are going consistent and yet getting decent returns out of it. So that's it. Yeah, I mean, everyone trades differently, you know. A lot of people kind of always mention my risk to reward and how it's only a 1-to-1, and they always say you can't be a profitable trader with a 1-to-1 risk reward. You have to have a minimum of a 1-to-2 risk reward or a 1-to-1.5, and it's just not true. You know, it doesn't matter your risk reward. What matters is your intelligence in the market and your ability to manage your risk and manage your trade. That is what really matters. And it doesn't matter if you get 10 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips. It doesn't matter. What matters is your trade and risk management, and that's how you're going to stay profitable. So yeah, I'm able to stay consistent with this strategy, with taking 1-to-1s, looking for a move, getting in, taking my profits out, you know, and then moving on to the next. That's what I like to do. And that's how I've been able to stay profitable, you know. I'll show you from let's have a look. I've got 5% battery left on my phone, so we go to the 1st of October. So I'll show you October because November isn't completed yet. We've still got a few days or a couple of weeks to go of the month. But for October, you can see, where is it? You can't see that. You know what? Let me just take a screenshot of it and show you guys. Let me take a screenshot and show you October's results. Is it this one? No, it's not that one. Where is it? This one. You guys can see that? So that's my results from October. So you can see 9,000. My eyesight's getting so bad. 9,664 profit for October. Minus the commissions and swap, it's $8,617 profit. So that was for October. We'll see how November goes. Cody, can you please do gbpjpy for the week? Yep, sure. Bro, when you post a signal, they're different time zone. How to adjust my time with the signal you send? So I mostly send the trades out pre-London to London Open, right? So whatever time pre-London to London Open is for you, is what you should. Where are you from, Murad? What time zone are you on? Let me know and I'll figure it out for you. So GJ for the week, we're looking at. If we look at the weekly, I did just do this in my YouTube video, but I'll just do it real quick for you guys. So if we're looking at the weekly, GJ has been in a range for quite some time, right? In this range right here, if we take the bodies right there, you can see this range. Ever since really like June, right? The start of June, price has been in this range. So we can see now we've finally broken out. So we've got a candle closure above the last couple of weeks, potentially. And if I just take this and I take that over. Middle East, Jordan. Okay, give me one sec. So now from the weekly perspective, price has broken out of this range. And what we did have last week, we had a type 3 setup from the weekly perspective. So we had lows, high lows, and higher highs. And so what I was looking at for last week, which I'd posted in the private members group, and also I think I did a YouTube video on it, looking for continuation buys right during last week, which is exactly what we got. We actually took these buys up from this daily candle right here for like 200 pips. I didn't get the whole 200 pips, but we did catch this trade right here. So from the weekly, we've broken out of that range, and it looks bullish right now. We do have a massive rejection wick from the weekly perspective. If I just go back real quick, you know, we have a big rejection wick right here of like 180 pips. Now that could be rejecting you know, kind of the high of this move over here. So you can see this high, you can see it's rejected it and it's closed back below. But in terms of the bodies of that candle, it's closed above, right? So it's a little bit mixed at the moment. In terms of the weekly, I'm not too sure what's going to happen from here. We could obviously continue bullish. We are creating that uptrend structure. So we've got lows, higher lows, higher lows, highs, higher highs, higher highs. But we'll see if that continues. And from the daily, we've got this pullback down onto this resistance over here, which has retested, which I did call out, which I did give the private members this update. So you can see right here, this was sent out to the members. So you can see there's the level right there, right, that I drew. And that's what I was talking about. We're going to come and retest in this level during this week. And that's exactly what happened. Gave that level out to the private members there. So from the daily, you can see I've got this drew out. So you can see these purple zones. So 24, 24. This is a daily type 3 candle pattern setup. And what I will be looking at on Monday is a continuation bearish below this level. So we're just going to have to wait and see how that looks. That is the only real setup I'm looking at GJ. But again, we've got a massive wick right here of like 115 pips. So price is going to have to come down quite a bit, like 125 pips to come down and break this low. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's going to happen. But that is the real only setup I'm looking at, is potential sales on GJ below this level, right? Below this point in the market right here. And we'll try get a move down on Monday. If not, then we don't. But yeah, there's the level that I'm talking about. The price did come in and tap, retested. And if we look at the 8 hour, we've started to move back off bullish now. So we'll see what happens come Monday. But really, I'm just looking for a slight pullback here, and then a continuation down, right? And a nice sell-off on Monday, London session. But that's all I'm really looking at the moment on GJ. So Jordan, okay, so if we go to Google and we go, oh God, don't look at my search history. You know what? Who cares? Who cares? It's actually quite funny, my search history. How to get personalized watermark on TradingView. Bye, Lily. What's that? 10,000 USD to AUD. Mini cheddar. So if you don't know what mini cheddars are, these are from the UK. I miss these so much. So good. Give me yogurt advert. Yeah. Anyway, so Jordan time. Let's have a look. 11:18 a.m. So time converter. Jordan. Which one of these? Anyone? Anyone, Murad? Are they all on the same time zone? Oh, man. Okay. Okay. And we'll just do Melbourne. So it is 7 p.m. Sorry. 7 p.m. So that is a difference of let's have a look. That is a difference of 8 hours, right? So if we set time, so if we go so that would be for you 3 p.m. 4 p.m. So 8 a.m. is when I would say around about 7 a.m. I would say is when I start sending out the setups potentially, maybe even a little bit earlier. But let me have a quick look at the chart. So when was the 4 hour? So the 4 hour 13 1. Let me see 1. Yeah, you're gonna need to get up early, bro. I'm sorry, but you're gonna need to get up at like I would say 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. and you should be okay for the setups. Do you think you can get up at that time? You can get up at that time, yeah. That's good. I mean, even if you woke up and you just check the Telegram quickly and see if I've sent any setups, boom, 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 put it into your MetaTrader, then you go back to sleep. So I'd say, yeah, just be setting alarms for like 5 a.m. Check Telegram. There's nothing on Telegram. I'll go back to sleep. Wake up at 6. Check Telegram. There's a setup. Let me just put that in. Let me put the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. Boom. Go back to sleep. You know? But I would say, 7 a.m. you can wake up. You should be okay. I would say 7 a.m. is good. Because that's then in time for the 4 hour closure, which is at what's this second 4 hour closure? So 13, 17, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 5 p.m. Yeah. You know what? Yeah, 7 a.m. I think is a good time. Yeah, 7 a.m. is a good time for you. Definitely try 7 a.m. and that should be fine because I send most of the setups for this 4-hour candle, right? So I try to skip the first two 4-hour candles of the day, and then I like to trade this third 4-hour candle, and that is usually that's around that opens at 5 p.m. my time, so that should be good for you. A little tip there for you guys: the third 4-hour candle of the day, right, is always the best to trade, right? Look at this third 4-hour candle, boom, and then this next candle after that, boom, boom, right? The third 4-hour candle, boom, continues bullish. But yeah, 7 a.m. I think you should be okay. You should be safe. You should be good. All right, where's this video? Here it is. All right. No worries, Murad. And well done for you're you're in the YouTube, yeah? Good job, bro. I'm not gonna say any more, but good job. You know what I'm talking about. I found this today, right? It's a watermark thing here, right? If you just go in indicators and you type in watermark, nothing's gonna show up. There we go. This one right here by TradingView. You open it, and you can put in your own little thing right here. So Forex with Cody. You know, you can change the color. You can have a background if you want. Pretty cool, man. You can change where you want it. So you can do top, bottom. Nice little watermark there. But yeah, the only really setup I'm looking at on Monday is GJ. And that's going to be sales below this level. So we'll wait and see what happens. We shall wait and see. You know what? I'll just leave this on here for everybody. This is my results from October. Do you guys like this this color, the chart color? I think it's really nice. What a flex. It's just being transparent, man. I mean, look, I'm showing losses, guys. Yes, I take losing trades. You know, I don't win every single trade. Look at that one loss right there. 3,200. 2,300. 1,800. Reminds me of your streams. Yeah, I like this white and grey theme with the added purple as well. Looks nice, I think. Maybe this crosshair is a bit too much, right? Do you think it's too much with the purple? Maybe I should just change that. Nah, that makes it look too dull now, doesn't it? It's kind of nice. Maybe I should just turn down the opacity a little bit. 50 maybe? A little bit too much. There we go. Better. No, that's October. That's from this month. That GJ loss was from this month. So that loss on GJ was what was it? Yeah, so that was $2,073. That was from this week. Yeah, we got 900 people in the free Telegram, bro. That's crazy. 901 people. Shout out to you guys, man. Shout out to you guys, bro. What lot size for six? Are you talking about a $6,000 account funded account? Um, just use the lot size calculator. So go on Google, go lot size. You know about lot size calculator, right? Type with this position size calculator. Do you know about a position size calculator, Murad? Why is my internet so slow? Yeah. So just based on your stop loss. So yeah, maybe I should start writing in the Telegram when I send my trades how big the stop loss is. So for example, the GJ trade, so the GJ trade that I sent out, where is it? This one was 50 pips. Are you using USD? Account size 6,000, and you should always risk 1% with a funded account. 50, calculate, and there's your lot size right there. But yeah, I should probably, that's my fault. I should send out but I mean you would figure that out as well, right? If you just went on, right, and you got on your chart, so say on GJ you just go like this, you go down to the 4, and you just get this up right here, and you go, okay, so the entry is 186,724, so you get entry like that, 186, entry 186,724, start 187,224. So you get your stop, and you do 187,224. And that's going to tell you 50 pips straight away, right? And then you can just change this one to 50 pips. Right, so you know straight away that right there's 50 pips. You can go over to your position size calculator, put in 50 pips, blah, blah, blah. Why is this taking so long, man? Take a chance on me. Look at that beautiful retest of that level over here. Boom, boom, gone. Retest at that level. Gone. See you later. Take a chance on me. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna edit this video. It's taking its time to why is it taking so long? It's literally a 1 minute video. I'm gonna edit this video real quick, and then it'll be up on YouTube. I'll post it in the Telegram. And that's going over next week's trades. That's going over the analysis of next week as well. I was gonna do it while on live, but I don't know why this is taking so long. It's literally a 1 minute video. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Why is it taking so long to upload into here? This makes no sense. Yeah, I'm gonna head off because this is taking too long to load. Like you see right here, it says prepping 30%. It's literally a 1 minute video right here that I did from my phone. But it's taking forever to like load into the video editor for some reason. But I did some updates on the YouTube channel today. What do you guys think? Do you like this? Nice. I just keep changing my name. I'm sorry to you guys, like, because you're probably like, what the hell? This guy's changed his name again. But I just can't settle on a name that I like. Like I had CJT, Cody James Trades. It's alright. What did I have? Callisto's Live Forex or Callisto Capital. What else did I have? I don't know. But I think Forex with Cody sounds good, yeah. It's like you know exactly what it is because it's got Forex in the name. You know who it's with because it's got Forex with Cody. So two things straight off the bat, you know. It's Forex and it's with a guy called Cody. Alright, I'm interested. Let's fucking have a look. So I think that's better than Cody James Trades and whatever I had before. It kind of, you know, like, yeah, just it's a bit more friendly. It's a bit more fun, you know. It's a bit more like inviting, and it tells you exactly what it is, and it gets straight to the point, you know. And that's what I want. But we've got 541 subs over here, man. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. And if we go to earn, right, I'm eligible for memberships right now. But I need the watch hours, man. How on earth do I get 3,000 watch hours? I only have 486. 3,000 watch hours. Bruh. I'm just gonna have to stream 10-hour days. I'm literally gonna have to stream for 10 hours a day for like the next year to meet that. I don't understand unless I get a video that goes viral, but I doubt that's gonna happen. But yeah, I like Forex with Cody. Yeah, I mean, my videos are quite long anyway, but the problem is people don't watch the whole 30 minutes. People will probably watch 5 minutes of your video and then they'll get bored. Like people's attention span, as with everything now, with TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and everything in the world, all the distractions, people's attention span is very small, and they don't want to sit here and listen to me and my boring ass voice talk for 30 minutes. So they'll probably watch for like 5 minutes and then they're gone. They're on to the next video. They get bored. I wonder if, for example, this one, if I go in here and I go analytics, is it going to show me, where is it? Watch time here. So 3.9. So you can see people, this is a, average view duration. Here we go. So this is a 20-minute video, and the average view duration is 3 minutes and 26 seconds. What? Suggested shorts? Oh, this is sick. Here are the moments that we recommend making into shorts. 12:17 to 12:32. 130% retention increase. That's insane, brother. So how do I do that? How do I create a short out of that? Okay, this is something I'll do another time. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, 20-minute video, and the average view duration is 3 minutes. So I mean, I've got 4 hours out of it. It's only a 20-minute video, but I got 4 hours out of it. It's not bad, I suppose. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. I need to change all of these now, don't I? Because it doesn't sync. It don't sync across. Yeah, the 100% is way too much. 50. So this is still uploading. Yep, still preparing. For some strange reason, I have no idea why. GJ will go up. There's a chance, like I said, we've retested on like this key level. Price is in an uptrend. If we just zoom out, just take a quick look, we've broken out levels of structure right here to the upside. We've broken out of these level of structures. We've retested and we've bounced nicely. The weekly looks bullish, of course. The daily is where it looks interesting though, because we've had this massive sell-off. But yeah, I mean, there's definitely a chance it can. I mean, there's a chance it can go either way. This could just be a pullback for a continued bearish move, or this could be a retest of this key level to continue bullish. You just don't know. But I'll have to wait and see. In terms of price action, candle pattern setups, I'm not too sure. Yeah, scalper. I mean, if you're a scalper, you really wanna take these 4-hour candles and use it to your advantage. What time frame do you scalp on? Nimbus. Five to 15. Okay, so if I go over here onto the 15-minute and gold and US 30 these days. Okay, so if we go to gold, right, so we're on gold and we go down to the 15 and say we're on the 4 hour right here on the left hand side. You want to take these 4 hour candle closures very seriously, right? So you could use these in ways. So for example, here, especially during the times as well. So you can see here the second 4 hour candle of the day is a very important candle, and I mentioned this just like 10 minutes ago. So the second 4 hour candle, you want to be focusing on that third 4 hour candle of the day. So depending on how that second one closes, you can see here this 4 hour candle. If we go over to the 15, if you're a scalper, you could have entries in here above. So you could wait for a 15-minute closure above like this. Right, so you get 15 closure above. You can have your stops. You can have like buy stops like a few pips above. You could enter something like that. Your stops below there. You know, you can catch a nice 20 or so pips or ride that move up there. The 4 hour closures are very, very interesting, right? And again, you could just follow these 4 hour closures all the way up like this. Again, you could look for, you could just enter like a buy stop here. This is what I do. I enter buy stops, you know, something like that. Capture a nice, you know, 40 something pips. Again, you got the next one right here. You could enter in here somewhere. Stops below that previous 15. You know, like these 4 hour candles, the breaks of the 4 hour candles are very interesting. Yeah, at Atano, I don't use them either. I only really use the 4 hour, the 8 hour, 12 hour on the daily and the weekly sometimes. I don't necessarily use the 15. But if you're a scalper, you need to definitely be looking at. I'm not compromising anything. The 4 hour is out there for everybody to trade, you know. Nah, I don't reveal too much. Again, like you got a 4 hour closure here, right? The second 4 hour candle of the day. You can see a nice little break and retest, and price continues bullish. You could even enter a buy stop above there because you know price is going to continue bullish. Stops below that previous 15. Right, and you got a nice little 1 to 2 there, or a 1 to 1 for 20 pips, 1 to 2 for 40 pips. 4 hour is very powerful if you know how to use it. And if you learn the type 3 candle pattern, this is a type 3 candle pattern right here. So 1, 2, you would enter your trade below here. So if you go down to the 15, so this one, you could either wait for a closure below, or you could just enter straight off of the break of it. So you could have your entry like 6 or 7 pips below. You could enter here. Your stop would be above that previous 15, so it would be above this one right here. And you'd round that up to around about 25 or so pips. And then price absolutely melts. You get a 1 to 1, a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and price just continues bearish all the way down. And that is a type 3 setup there, base, you know, from the 4 hour, and then you can take your entries on the 15. 4 hour is very powerful. Nah, I'm not revealing anything, man. Similar to how I just like different conferences, but similar, yeah. Type 3 is, I know people probably like when I say type 3, they're like, what is this guy on about? But you know, it's type 3 is crazy. Type 3 setup is crazy. And it gives off so many setups as well throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month. It gives off crazy setups. Yeah, I actually got stopped out of a trade because of a crazy wick the other day. At Tuna. So right here, look, this candle right here. I was in a trade from down here somewhere, and this wick came down, stopped me out, and then continued bullish. I was in a buy. It's actually in here somewhere. Where is it? Right here. Look at that. I was in like 35 pips profit, and then this thing just wicked all the way down, stopped me out, and then continued bullish. But I ended up taking buys after that as well anyway to continue bullish. We're in right here. Oh, didn't want to do that. So I still managed to get the buys, but yeah, this thing like just massive wick down, stopped me out, and then flip back bullish and continued, hit my take profit. You gotta love it. You gotta love trading. 26th of October. Let's have a look. Oh, you're talking about in here, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's been some crazy weeks going on. Oh, man, I'm tired. I'm looking forward to a good sleep tonight. Hey, yo, what the fuck is going on? What in the what did I say? What in the stop hunt market manipulation is going on here? Yeah, all you can do is laugh at that, man. Literally, all you can do is laugh. Oh, yo, what in the market manipulation stop loss hunt is going on here? Literally, all you can do it when things like that happen is just laugh. You can understand why people think that the banks, the banks are trying to like stop their hunts. You know, hunt their stops, stop their hunts, hunt their stops. I was surprised you were even awake. You told me that should be. Yeah, yeah. That was like 5 a.m. in the morning. I think something like that. Was it? Yeah, one. I think I woke up. It was like 5 a.m. or some shit. I always wake up. I always wake up. I know it wasn't. I try and wake up during each 4 hour candle closure if I'm awake, if I'm asleep, sorry. So yeah, I'll wake up at 5 a.m., check the charts, check the trade. Um, I always like to keep an eye on the 4 hour chart and when the candles are closing and what's happening. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna go have some food. Sunday, 8 p.m. here. I'm just gonna go chill with my family for a bit, and then I'll finish this video later. It's taking forever to upload. Don't know why. It's 1 minute long, but I'm gonna head off. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. We'll see what happens tomorrow at market open, we're looking at sales here on GJ below this level. Nice little daily type 3 bearish setup. Yeah, I'm out, guys. Hope you have a beautiful Sunday evening, and I'll see you all tomorrow bright and early for market open. Peace out. See you later, Nimbus.